Hello again, we are on the fourth part of our exam and we have a question 4. Allocate the country name to country code. Using information from worksheet E, allocate the country name to related country code. So our additional data are here and we have to allocate the country name to country code. How we can do that? We can do that with the VLOOKUP function. Our function is here, VLOOKUP. All what we need to do, we need to follow instruction. A lookup value is the value to be found in the first column of the table and can be a value, a reference, or a text string. First value in first column of the table. Then table array is table of text, numbers, or logical values in which data is retrieved. Table array can be a reference to a range or a range name. Where is our range? Here. Then call index number is the column number in table array from which the matching value should be returned. The first column of value in the table is column 1. So what we need a country name, and the country name here in our additional table is column 2, number 2, and the range lookup is 0. Our requested data is here. Can we apply this formula to all these rows below with double click here? We will see. Okay, some of values are here, but some values are not applicable. Why? Because if we see this formula here, this range here is not fixed. How can we fix this range? We can mark it and then press F4. And now we have fixed range. Enter, double click here, and our requested values are here. So congratulations, you passed your Excel exam.